Hi, I'm Lorena with the Silver Spoon, and we are the ultimate party planners here in Hollywood. Amongst some of our clientele, we have Ashley Tisdale, Lindsay Lohan, Samantha Harris, Juliana DePandy, Jessica Simpson, just to name a few. Today we're going to talk about how to put together the ultimate Halloween party. Going to start with our favorite, which is the food. We've got the pigs in a blanket, or otherwise known as bloody fingers. What you want to do is get mini hot dogs, crescent rolls, and some ketchup. Another fun thing to do is just vampire bite, which is a little cracker, some cream cheese, a dollop of salmon caviar, and you've got your vampire spider bites. Another fun thing to do is the pumpkin. Fill it with your favorite veggies, have your dip, ready to go. My favorite thing to do is to incorporate your drinks as an actual centerpiece, like we have here. We've got the Midori, which is Cauldron Punch, which is made out of Midori melon liqueur, Sky vodka, orange juice, and soda. Use it as your centerpiece. Another fun drink to have at a Halloween party is a Midori Phantom, which is made with Midori melon liqueur, Pernod, water, and egg whites for the foam on top. If you want to go step it up a little bit, you can go to Z Gallery and buy this awesome candelabra. Target, get the candles, and again, it's a fun and easy way of decorating your table. The spider webs, if you want to dazzle it up, you can do glitter. My favorite thing, like I said, is doing the candy and just kind of disperse everywhere, because it is about Halloween and you want to keep with the theme. So anything that you can think and be creative, stick to color themes of the black, the green, the oranges, and you're going to go for, you're going to have a great Halloween party. When we were talking about what your guests can do to kind of like interact and keep the party fun, do the candy apples. That's something that they could go home with, and it's a fun little gift. Another fun thing to do is if you go to your local Target, get candles. You could take home a spice candle. Another fun thing to do would be give away movies, DVDs. They're inexpensive these days. You can send them home with your, a scary movie, be it Halloween, Friday the 13th, Poltergeist, maybe a CD. You could burn CDs for your friends and make, the spooky Halloween mix for your friends to go home with so that they remember the party and remember how much fun they had. And if you want any more of these tips, you could go to MidoriUSA.com and you'll have everything on there.